Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this very important video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install Google Maps in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to bring up our Google Chrome. So by that, at the bottom search bar, type on Chrome. And the moment you do that, a best match would appear. Please navigate to open. Click on it to continue. Now, the moment you are being redirected to the Google Chrome browser, you need to proceed at the upper right side of that where you can see there Gmail, images, lab icon, this apps icon, and this user icon. You need to proceed with apps icon to see all of the Google apps and proceed with maps, okay? The moment you've located, tap the net and wait until you are being redirected to this website, which is the Google Maps. Here, you can click on the three dots, okay, where you can share your location, like you can check your timeline, your data in maps, and you can also go with edit map. Okay, there are some very different options that you can go with. So in order to install this Google Maps as an application, okay, so that whenever we want to open our Google Maps, we can no longer, we won't needed to search it here at the Google Chrome. So we'd like to install that as an application. So how? Please proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see there are three dots. Click on it and scroll down and locate your cursor to cast, saved, and share. The moment you do that, this would open. Here, you need to proceed with install Google Maps. Click on it. And the moment you do that, this small window would ask you to confirm your action. Please click on install. So in that way, this window would appear, meaning that we have successfully installed our Google Maps. Just have to minimize or close the window as Google Chrome browser and check if it's being added here. In my case, it's being shown here at my shortcut in my desktop. Okay. And if I'll navigate to my button search bar and search for maps, okay, it will show here under the apps, okay, and as an application as well. Okay, so all you need to do is you need to click on open to navigate it there. Now your window would ask you, your machine would ask you if you would like to pin your Google Maps to your taskbar. Just click on yes if you'd like to pin it to your taskbar, and if you would want to decline it, click on no thanks. Once you're done, you're good to go. Okay, so here it is very important to have Google Maps to have an easy access on the location, especially if we are new to that place. We can use that specific Google Maps to keep on track on where are we right now, okay, as of the moment. So that's it. You can now close the window and you're good to go. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Have a good day, everyone.